CFMOTO Man here, and today we're going to be changing out the stock air filter for the UNI filter. We got the UNI service kit, the UNI Air Filter, and the K&N dust cover. Links below to each of these parts. We will be installing it on a CForce 600 Touring. The UNI filter is a two-stage filter. On the top it's made of molded plastic. On the bottom it's got rubber material. It does come with this clamp. Let's take this part off. Hold can about 12 inches from the filter. Spray inner and outer surfaces thoroughly. Spray light coating on the inner foam. Let stand 3 to 5 minutes. Massage oil into filter. Place dust cover over filter. This does require some finessing. Remove the seats. Remove this plastic plate. Very easy to do. 4 grommets. 1, 2, 3, 4. These go up first. 1, 2, and pull this way. 3, 4. 2 Phillips head screws and 2 clasps. Remove top portion of the airbox. Not bad. There's only 20 hours on this machine. Phillips head to loosen this clamp. long Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to go up through this cover to get to this other clamp. Loosen that. Now you should be able to wiggle this out. There. You're going to need this adapter part. This is awkward. What was? Okay. After some deliberation, I think it's best to put this in first. Tighten it up. Tighten up the clamp. The clamp facing upward. Let's install the air filter. Nice and easy. Tighten this clamp. Oh shit. This is hard to do with one hand. Make sure it's on nice and tight. Doesn't move around, okay. That's good enough for me. Airbox cover goes back on. Install the 2 Phillips head screws. Metal clasps. All right, fellas, let's start her up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.